Hello everyone and welcome back to the Prime Coding channel. I am Aditya Mishra and today we'll talk about the hottest news, which is TCS NQT result 2024 and the rest over notes that you are demanding for, which is OS and CN resources, as well as the queries regarding the results and the community support that you will be needed to crack the interviews of TCS Digital Prime Ninja and for any role that you have got selected. So moving forward with the very first slide is congratulations to the most of our subscribers, the brilliant mind who have successfully cleared this TCS NQT 2024. My inbox is overwhelmed with all of these good news where people have got for prime roles. Basically, the best part is no one got the ninja role. Most of the students have got prime digital roles. Why? Because everything that they need to crack this particular exam, I have already put in that. So yes, we'll talk about everything that they have referred and it will help them to crack all these companies. So there are many, but I have took few ones that I personally talk with them over my social handles. So if you're not till connected on my social handles, if you need any guidance, please connect with me. I would be very happy to help you out. So moving forward with the resource they used. So the resource they used is this all types of array questions where in shifts the questions had directly come from this particular one shot array video, as well as the similar concepts used in string pattern and how to take input is a very hot video on my channel. Now all shift solutions, if you're preparing for TCS 2025 or your brothers, daughters, sisters or anyone in your family who are preparing for TCS NQT for 2025, please recommend them my channel so that they will crack all these roles very easily. So moving forward with the TCS NQT 2024 result, the people who have attended the TCS NQT exam in April shift and the few half of the month of May shifts, then they can expect the TCS NQT results. So most of them who have attended in April, most of them got the results which states that they have qualified for the TCS Prime interview. Further details had been shared them shortly. And the important note, so and the people who have received the Google forms, they can expect their interview dates would be very near, like 1 or 2 weeks. In 1 or 2 weeks they can expect their interview dates and their premises or at which center they need to go to give their interview. Mostly in this video I will talk about the queries that you should know before sitting into the TCS NQT interview. So now, interview preparation, which plays a very key role into your whole preparation journey or the journey from zero to employee or engineer. So yes, interview preparation, you need my very first video where I have discussed in detail what all concepts you need to study, what all topics, what all core subject that you need to know before stepping into the interview. And the one short video is must because it's contained all the previous year pattern that till now have been asked in TCS NQT interviews. All the SQL question I have explained it very well, and the DBMS theory question, which is also very important in the interviews because your interview will start from DBMS theory itself. Now the questions that are very frequently asked from me on my channel as well as on my social media is not received Google form. Guys, if you have not received Google form and you have received the selection mail, which means your interview date is not really near, it's a far, like in July you can expect, or in June mid or June last of end of the week you can expect your interview date would be scheduled. So prepare well is this interview. And now the second question is not received selection mail. Guys, if you have not received selection mail, please be patient. It might be take some delay to release your offer letter, or if you are worrying about whether you will get selected or not, at least you should know. So if you got selected, you will definitely get your email in 1 month or like in July, because the last shift was happened on 27th May. So it will take time to release the results. So that time you can expect. Now you can expect the rejection mail also if you have not been shortlisted. Like in July, you can expect the rejection mail if you have not been selected. But no worries guys, I put all the current going hiring which is 100% genuine and only active for 1 to 2 days. So please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of the hiring opportunities. And the technical is offline or online. So guys, in before 2020 or before COVID, every time TCS and QT's interview would happens on the TCS and QT TCS premises. So you can expect this online because everything is fine, but you can expect offline because everything is fine. But in online mode, you can expect few of these centers can be done online, or everywhere it can happen offline. So it's still a dilemma. They will let you know according to the location preference that you are filling in the Google form. Now, handwritten notes of OS, CN, HR questions, OOPS and SQL practice. Guys, SQL practice was a very demanding list that people were asking me after reading after going through my SQL one-shot video. So in this video, I will let you know the SQL practice questions as well as OOPS, HR questions. HR question is a very important question which will definitely ask you in your interview, and the CN and OS. After researching on internet like which notes I should recommend you, I found these notes. So we'll let you know the notes. So you can see the overview of the OOPS note, which is object oriented programming language notes, which is look like this, the very clean written and everything. Guys, if you are wondering that you are well versed in Python or Java, it's not like that. You just find the main thing like what is polymorphism, what is abstraction and encapsulation. These basic thing or fundamental thing you should know irrespective of your languages, because if you know the concept, then you can go towards any of the websites such as Geek for Geeks and try to search the code snippet in your favorable languages. But before going to that, please read all this: what is access modifier, what is type of inheritance level, polymorphism, advantage, disadvantage, abstraction, because OOPS concept is generally being asked in TCS and QT interviews rather than either than any of the interview profiles, let it be Prime, Digital or Ninja. You can expect this OOPS concept very frequently. That I have gone through multiple previous year interview experiences where I have found the questions of OOPS has been asked multiple times. So please guys, make sure that you will study this thoroughly. Then the SQL practice question. So this is the question list that I found over the lead code where people have created in very nice way. You can just head over this, combine two tables, and in this also you can see the solution of the questions also. So it would be very good tool for your interview preparation and to practice this SQL after going through my SQL one-shot video. As you can see, everything has been in this video. I will let you know where all this PDF you can find it. So yes, it contains many questions. So as per your availability, do as much question as you can, because you can expect the SQL question also in your interview if you have mentioned SQL into your resume. Now the DBMS questions. DBMS important question or interview question, I would say, which is look like this, many questions, but it contains only 70 pages. But in the DBMS interview video, if you have gone through, then this question would be very familiar to you, and few more concepts that I can see in this particular PDF will also help you to prepare or cover the boundaries of the syllabus also, so that your preparation would be concrete. Now let's move to the CN notes, which is a typical lengthy theoretical based topic, but you should know the basic stuff. What is the difference between IPv4, IPv6 and ping circuits, everything. It contains only the important concept or topic in computer network, so that it would be a one-stop solution to learn all these computer network topics. It might leave some basics or fundamental here and there, but make sure that you know each and every topic present in this PPT or PDF, because it also plays an important role in your interviews if you are sitting from Prime and Digital. Great. Now let's talk about the interview HR questions. So guys, have a look over the HR questions, which is answer of most typically asked question, like tell me about yourself, how you should tell your answer to the interviewer. every question has been listed in this particular PDF that they may ask you. Okay, it might be some else question also, but this particular PDF that I found contains most of the interview based HR questions. Most of the questions it covered, and few of the questions also asked me in my interview also. So it would be a great resource for you. Please download it and read it thoroughly, so that because your interview will start with these types of question only. So you should be well versed, because the first impression that you will throw or you will show on an interviewer will be the last impression. So yes, please prepare this interview please prepare this interview HR questions. Now, there is a big thing that I also got many DMs regarding this, is people are struggling to get the mock interviews. They need someone to take the mock interviews, give them a guidance like how they can improve the personal support, because most of the people don't know about much thing about the interviews, because it might be their first interview, and area of weaknesses like where actually they are lagging, whether it would be a speaking skill, whether it would be explanation skills, or the area of coding sections or the core subjects, everything. I will provide you my each and every chunk of this time. Like it would be a 1.5 hour a rigorous session in which I will talk about, or I will take your mock interview, taking everything in the consideration that has been asked in the interview. So it would be just in 149 rupees per interview, because I don't want to waste your time as well as my time, so that I can take the monthly subscription and all. So it would be a 149 per interview, and I make sure that you will definitely crack your interview. I will research from behalf of yourself. I will find the core topics from the internet, and I will ask you those in full interview manner, so that it would be mock interview, so that I can give you the guidance, your area of weakness, and you would be a concrete to crack this particular interview. All this information you will get in the Google form. You just need to fill that. Now, the Prime Coding community that I have launched to give you the hiring updates, because many of the students just missed out my videos because of their busy schedule, and they were not able to take that particular opportunity. So all the hiring updates, which are very genuine, I will upload in my Prime Coding community. Ask doubts, guys. This is the first thing that I'm introducing it. You can ask anything into my community, in which I also respond, and our particular Prime Coding members are also a coder of Prime, and they will also crack the Prime role. So yes, they will also help you and guide you and tell you the solution, whatever you are asking in the group. Every support will be there, because our Prime community member is so lovely. And the new updates, like what all application that will gonna come in future, what you should prepare for the future, what are technologies that you should know, and notes link, whatever. In this video, I have shown you the OS, the CN, the OOPS, every notes you can find in my Telegram community. So please make sure that you will join my community right now. And the video updates, guys, this is a big must thing, because students are just missing out the hiring updates. So if I put my video there, you can just have a click on it, go through my video and see the particular hiring procedure or the new interview preparation video, so that you will be on time reading it, learning it, and just showing it in the interview and just cracking it. And yes, this is from my side. If you have any issue, please let me know in the comment, and please highly recommend you to join the Prime Coding community, and let's create a brilliant mind community. Please hit the subscribe button and like the channel if you have watched till now, and I will meet you with a new content soon.